Welcome to this tutorial on creating an infinite slider with Xamarin.Android. Are you tired of using traditional sliders that limit your user's experience? Do you want to create an engaging and seamless interaction for your mobile app's users? Well, you are in the right place. In today's video, we'll be exploring how to create an infinite slider using Xamarin.Android. This is a fantastic feature that allows your users to scroll through a list of items without ever reaching the end. It's perfect for applications like product showcases, image galleries, or even news feeds. Throughout this video, we'll break down the process into manageable chunks, and I'll provide you with a thorough explanation of each step involved in creating an infinite slider. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to implement this feature in your own Xamarin.Android projects. So let's dive right in. To create an infinite slider, we need to understand the underlying concept of how it works. Essentially, we're going to use a view pager, which is a layout manager that allows users to swipe through pages of data. The key to creating an infinite slider lies in the adapter that manages the data for our view pager. We'll need to create a custom adapter that can recycle views and maintain a seamless scrolling experience. Imagine you're at a mall and you're walking along a seemingly endless corridor with stores on either side. As you walk, new stores appear on the horizon, and the ones behind you disappear from view. That's roughly how our infinite slider will work. We'll create an adapter that loads data in batches, so when the user reaches the end of the current batch, it seamlessly loads the next one. This process repeats indefinitely, giving the illusion of an endless list. Now, let's talk about the steps involved in creating this adapter. First, we need to set up our view pager and attach it to the adapter. Then, we'll override a few key methods that will allow us to control the flow of data. The first method is getAtempPosition, which returns the position of the item within the adapter's dataset. This is where we can implement some clever logic to make the slider appear infinite. Next, we have getCount, which simply returns the total number of items in our dataset. However, since we want an infinite slider, this method will always return a very large number, effectively making it seem like there are endless items. Finally, we'll override instantiateItem and destroyItem. These methods control how views are created and destroyed within our view pager. When the user scrolls to the end of the current batch, we'll recycle the views and rebind them with new data. This is where the magic happens, and our slider appears infinite. To recap, here are the essential points to remember when creating an infinite slider with Xamarin.Android. We use a view pager as the layout manager. A custom adapter manages the data for our view pager. The adapter loads data in batches, giving the illusion of an endless list. We override key methods like getAtempPosition, getCount, instantiateItem, and destroyItem to control the flow of data. That's it for today's tutorial on creating an infinite slider with Xamarin.Android. I hope you found this explanation informative and engaging. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tech-related content. We'll see you in the next one.